I'm Adam Burgoyne, I'm Operations Lead at Brandauer in Birmingham. So we're a precision stamping company in the heart of Birmingham. We specialise in a lot of thin gauge, multi-material components stamped from our presses. We range over a lot of different sectors, not just automotive. We spread out into plumbing, we spread out into general electrical sectors. It means we can diversify and we keep quite a wide portfolio of stuff within the walls. So I finished sixth form, I had A-levels, and I didn't want to go the regular university route. I wanted to do something a little different. So I went to a careers fair and I found a company that worked with Brandauer as a training provider, and I was recommending Brandauer to go for an interview, and here I am today. So I started on a level 2 general engineering, which was all the manual operations that you'll see within our tool room at Brandauer. And then I progressed onto a more technical support pathway after that, which has led to the role I'm in today. So, I mean, straight away, as soon as I was out of sixth form, I was earning some money. It wasn't a huge amount straight away, but it has certainly ramped up after that. And it means that I was able to earn while I learn, as opposed to getting myself into debt pretty much instantly from day dot. It's because I've got the practical experience. I've been here, I've done the dirty work essentially. I've come in, I've done the hands-on stuff. We've looked around the business in different departments, seen how the business flows from material coming in all the way to good products going out and all the processes that are involved with that. And it means that compared to, let's say, a uni graduate who comes in with, yes, a lot of knowledge on the processes, they've never seen them in action. We do, day in, day out. As a young apprentice, when I joined, we had a lot of people who were very experienced in Brandauer. There is a bit of a skills gap around between sort of, let's say, 35 up to about 50. And the guys who had a lot of knowledge and been here a long time needed to pass it on to people like us or to the other guys who work for Brandauer. And this was trying to bridge the gap. And it's about getting people in to fill the spaces. And there's plenty of jobs that are going to be long-standing and really fulfilling and rewarding for a lot of people coming into the industry. I think it's a great opportunity. There's a lot of funding out there now. There's a lot of companies embracing new talents and apprentices coming on board into the system. One example is that we usually have 10 apprentices around Brandauer pretty much all the time, which means that we've always got that flow through of knowledge coming down from the top and feeding into the guys that are just joining. And I think a lot of companies are embracing that now, and if there's a plenty of opportunity out there, go and take it.